Good morning, student. Today I discuss the new chapters: alcohol, phenol, and ether. Okay. Alcohol. Do you know? आपने 10th में भी alcohol पढ़ा होगा. Function group OH group is called alcohol. Alcohol ROH. In alkane, H is replaced by OH alcoholic group. It is called alcohol. Alcohols are mainly three types: primary alcohol, alcohol containing one alkyl group, it is called primary alcohol. RCH2OH, primary alcohol. Examples are ethanol, that is called ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol. Secondary alcohol, alcohol containing two alkyl group, is called second degree alcohol. Two alkyl group, secondary alcohol. या फंक्शनल ग्रुप OH जिस कार्बन से अटैच होगा उस कार्बन पे वन हाइड्रोजन होगा तो वो आपका सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल हो गया. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, फंक्शनल ग्रुप OH is attached to that carbon which contains two hydrogen atom are called primary alcohols. Examples: CH3OH. What is common name? Isopropyl. This group is called isopropyl. OH group is alcohol, so common name is isopropyl alcohol. What is IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. Two carbon OH group is present, propane 2-ol. It is called propane 2-ol. Okay. CH3, CH2OH. What is the name? What is the name of this compound? This is isopropyl. One carbon also, so it is called isobutyl. This is isopropyl. One carbon increase, so it is called isobutyl. This group is called isobutyl. Isobutyl alcohol. Okay. Tertiary alcohol, third degree alcohol. Alcohol containing three alkyl group. Three alkyl group is called tertiary alcohol. Examples: CH3OH. This is what is the common name? This is called tertiary butyl group, and OH group is present. Its common name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Its common name is tertiary butyl alcohol. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? First you consider the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is the longest chain. 2 position is methyl group and OH group is second position. So IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. This is IUPAC name. Okay. Other example: CH3, CH2, CH3OH. What is the IUPAC name? This is also called tertiary alcohol. What do you mean by tertiary alcohol? The functional group OH is attached to that carbon atom which having no hydrogen atom, and alcohol containing three alkyl group are known as tertiary alcohol. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name of this compound is, first you consider the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is longest chain and 2 position is methyl. 2-methyl butane 2-ol. 2-methyl butane 2-ol. Okay. Now come to the next nomenclature. Alcohols are also three types. Another ways: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, alcohol containing only one OH group, functional group, are known as monohydric alcohol. Alcohol, organic compound containing 2 OH group, 2 alcoholic group is known as dihydric alcohols, and organic compound containing 3 OH groups और it is known as trihydric alcohol, और 2 से ज़्यादा अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप होगा उसको पॉलीहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल भी बोल सकते हैं। मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल, मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल, organic compounds having 1 OH group, alcoholic group, are called monohydric alcohol. All alcohol, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are the examples of monohydric alcohol. Examples: CH3, CH2OH, ethanol, CH3, CH3, CH3OH, tertiary butyl alcohol, butyl alcohol. This is monohydric alcohol. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol all are the monohydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल आपका फिनॉल भी होगा, बेंजीन में OH ग्रुप होगा, इसको फिनॉल बोलेंगे, ये भी मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल हो गया, फिनॉल. फिनॉल इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल. डाइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल. व्हाट इज डाइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल? अल्कोहल कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कंटेनिंग 2 OH ग्रुप्स. अब जिसमें 2 OH ग्रुप हो, CH2OH, CH2OH. What is name of this compound? 2 carbon is ethane, 1 position is OH and second position carbon is also OH. The ethane 1,2-diol. This IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. Okay. This is also dihydric alcohol. What is name of this compound? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Propane 1,3-diol. Propane 1,3-diol. This is dihydric alcohol. Okay. And in benzene ring, here is OH and here is OH. This is also dihydric alcohol. This is called benzene 1,2-diol. Benzene 1 position and second position. So this IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. Benzene 1,2-diol. Okay. Its isomers also possible. This is called benzene 1,4-diol. Benzene 1,4-diol. Okay. This is dihydric alcohol. Examples of dihydric alcohol. Now trihydric alcohol. Organic compound containing 3 OH groups is called known as trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. Organic compound containing 3 OH groups are called trihydric alcohol. Okay. Examples are CH2OH. This is trihydric alcohol. What is IUPAC name? Propane 1,2,3-triol. Propane 1,2,3-triol. Okay. That is known as glycerol. आपने ग्लिसरीन का नाम सुना होगा, सोप में यूज होता है, इसी को ग्लिसरॉल भी बोलते हैं. सोप, जब हम सोप का मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं सोपोनिफिकेशन रिएक्शन में, तो ग्लिसरॉल जो है बाय प्रोडक्ट के रूप में निकलता है. बेंजीन रिंग में भी होगा OH, OH, OH. ये होगा बेंजीन 1,2,3-triol. It is also trihydric alcohol. Okay. अब nomenclature of phenol. In benzene ring, nomenclature of phenol. Allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. What is allylic alcohol? Allyl group in propene. H is replaced, so it is called allylic group. CH2, double bond CH, CH2. This group is called allylic group. Allylic OH is, so it is called allylic alcohol. Okay. What is IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. Prop 2 in 1 all. This is IUPAC name is prop 2 in 1 all. It is IUPAC name of allylic alcohol. Nomenclature of in this is cyclohexane, OH is there, cyclohexanol. It is called cyclohexanol. What is IUPAC name? Here is 1, here is 2, 3, 4, 4 ethyl. Here is a CH2, CH3, 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclohexane 1 all. IUPAC name is 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclohexane 1 all. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. In benzene ring, OH group is attached. It is called phenol. And here is CH3, that is known as 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. This compound is called phenol. 2 position is methyl, so it is called 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol, or it is common name is orthocresol. Orthocresol. Here is 3-methyl phenol, that is called 3-methyl phenol or metacresol. The compound is known as metacresol. These are the isomer. And next one is this is your paracresol. Paracresol or 4-methyl cresol. मिथाइल क्रिसॉल। तो ये आपको नोमेनक्लेचर आता है, कल जो है मैं आगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगा। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।